Subscribe with notifications on.
Is that just because you are turning 18, you mustn't think that, okay, now I'm turning 18, I don't have to listen to what mommy and daddy is saying, I can just go out and do whatever I want. You must still be that child, you understand? Respect them and don't do the things they tell you don't do, because they've got a reason why they say don't do those things. Because they are old most. They know what's wrong and what's right. Keep learning from your parents. And also, now you have a girlfriend, right? So with this girlfriend, you guys are doing big shoes things, right? And obviously there can be a baby anytime. You understand? And you don't want to have babies there and there and there and there. When you grow up now, you get a job. You have to feed different houses. Like, it's not gonna work. So I can advise you is that if you are with this lady, you better be serious with her. You better know what you want. Can you see she's a big lady? She knows what she wants, obviously. So you better know what you want. You better focus. Focus. You understand what I'm saying?
And
have this one lady. Don't go around and have different ladies.
And my advice from me as a man, let me just tell you this.
Otherwise, you're gonna have babies everywhere.
Yeah, let me give you advice.
So
Let me give you advice as a man. If you wanna be happy in your relationship, avoid friends. Avoid friends. She is your only friend. Because you know what will happen? The day maybe, you know, in relationships we do fight, right? Maybe the day you fight her or she fights you, you go get angry and go to your friends and tell them about your flaws and stuff like that about your relationship. The same friend you are telling will come and want to hit on her. So stay away from friends. They are very dangerous. They cannot build you. They will never build you. They will destroy you. If you want to be happy, she is the only friend that you need to keep.
Must grow together.
Grow together.
There is no such thing as getting a rich man, getting a rich lady.
There's nothing like that. You build together. You know, when I met my wife, we never had nothing. No cars, nothing. But after we met, we combined everything. I was suffering. She was suffering. We combined everything together. We bought the first car. We bought the second car. We bought the third car, the fourth car, the fifth car, the sixth car, the seventh car. We had 7 cars. Now, that's why you see us now, we built that big house there. It's our house with our own money. We didn't rely on the government. We didn't rely on, we started hustling together. So this is what you can do with that woman. You understand? Don't leave her and say, and go to these other women that has got money. You want to start making, dating these, other women that has got money and stuff like that because of she doesn't have money. One day God will bless her. If you leave her, God will bless her and you will come running. If you leave him because he doesn't have money, God one day is going to bless him and he will come running. And it will be too late. You understand? So you grow together, help one another. That's the only thing. That's the only way that will keep you guys happy. Understand? Take my advice. Don't forget about this advice that I'm giving you. Don't. I'm married. I'm married. This is my wife. We've been together for long. We've got 3 kids now. Right? So, you too.
My baby is actually your age. My firstborn.
She's 16 years old.
She's turning 17 this year.
Understand? So it's life. Supposed to the things about people, we like undermining other people. Say, my boyfriend doesn't have money. That's why you see most of these South African women, they leave them. They leave our South African men. They go to these foreigners. They think these foreigners have got money. You know why they think these foreigners they've got money? You know why they think so? Let me tell you the reason why they think so. These foreigners, some of them, they don't have bank accounts. They don't have bank accounts. Ne? They get paid, they put money under the bed, the mattress. Right? So when you as a lady come every day, or you come to visit him, he always is loaded. You think he's got money. A South African works, and when they work, the money stays at the bank account. Understand? And for them, they plan their future. These foreigners, when they come, right? They come, yes, they've got good manners and stuff like that. They know how to treat women. They know how to treat women. But South African women mustn't think that South African men doesn't have money. They mustn't think that way. You understand? So that's the problem that we're facing here in South Africa. You understand?
But it's not about money, though.
It's not about money, but they're making it look like money. It's like it's all about money.
Always the case. If you wanna get married to the bank, then you get married to the bank. If you wanna get married to a good man, then you get married to a good man.
Exactly.
It depends which one you want.
Yeah. Yo, that car.
You see the cat how it drives?
You see, if you see some women, they're not looking for love. They're looking for banks. If you're looking for a bank, you go to the bank.
If you're looking for a bank, you'll get the bank. If you're looking for a man, you'll get a good man.
Exactly.
So it's always the case.
Are you getting my point? All right, guys. Thank you so much for your time. We really appreciate your time.
Maybe they may want to add something. This new guy who just joined us now. Where's the other one?
These boys, yes. I must ask these boys, man. How are you boys? Are you okay? I've got a question. I go around, I'm from Mr. K's Travel Club TV. Mr. K's Travel Club TV. Now, I go around and interview people about their lifestyle and all those type of things, I will give you the link afterwards. Tell me something. My first question to you is this. If you were